Ambulance Market, the 19th of April 2025. Next ride, this is the second last ride of the day. Got one more ride to do after this one, and that's the one right next to you, the Wild House roller coaster. Oh yeah, here we go.
Come on, one or two more, then away we go.
So here we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Smallest person, smallest.
Yeah.
Wanna go faster? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Super speed. Let's go.
Twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when things are really? Yeah, let's twist again. Twist the time this year. Happy, yeah. Are you happy? Yeah.
Do you wanna go faster? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Faster? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Make some noise. Come on,
Woo.
boys. Make some noise. Do you wanna go faster? Say yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's again. Let's do last year. Do you remember when? Yeah. Let's twist again. The time this year.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Your friends.
Oh, forgot my spot. Feels good. Da 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 da.
Yeah, baby.
Slide to the
Oh, let's twist again. Like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again. Yeah. Do you remember when we were there? Yeah, let's twist again. Not bad, but £4 when we got about 5 minutes, that's not bad. That was a really good cycle on the HORNES Twister. That was a good ride.